Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a rainbow smoothie bowl with Greek yogurt. This super colorful smoothie has 15 grams of protein and so many delicious fruits. It's perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Let me show you guys how to make it. So I like to chop all of the fruits for the topping first because blending up the smoothie is actually the really easy part. So in order to get the rainbow on top of this smoothie bowl, we're going to be using a bunch of different fruits. So for the red, I'm going to be using strawberry. You guys could also use raspberries. For the orange, I'm using an orange. For the yellow, I'm going to cut up this pineapple. For the green, we're going to do kiwi. For the blue, we have blueberries. And for the purple, we have blackberries. You guys can feel free to adjust different fruits depending on what you have on hand. So first, we're going to cut our pineapple. Then we're going to slice our kiwi, and our strawberries, and our orange. So now that we have all of our fruits for the rainbow topping ready, we're going to set these aside and grab the ingredients that we need for the smoothie. So now we're going to make our smoothie. So first we're going to add in 1 large banana. Then we're going to add in our frozen pineapple. Then our frozen mango. And then our Greek yogurt. And if you guys want to use regular yogurt, that totally works too. I'm just using the Greek yogurt here because it's going to give this smoothie more protein. And then last, we're going to add in some water. And if you guys want to use milk instead, you can do that too. Now we're just going to blend on high until smooth and creamy. Now we're going to pour our smoothie into a large bowl. So first we're going to add our chopped strawberries for the red. Then our oranges. Then we're going to add our pineapple. Next comes the kiwi. And then our blueberries and our blackberries. And look at this gorgeous rainbow smoothie bowl. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy and healthy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. So good.